Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 30th, 2025, and we're going to provide an in-depth analysis of Microsoft stock, ticker symbol Microsoft. We'll be looking at both the recent news and events surrounding Microsoft, and then diving into the chart data to identify key trends, potential reversals, and important price levels. First, let's review the current news and events. Recent reports suggest that Microsoft stock has been affected by concerns about an escalating trade war with China. Trump's tariffs are worrying investors, including the possibility of tariffs reaching 145% on China. Furthermore, there are concerns of job cuts and scaled-back data center investments. On the positive side, Morgan Stanley reiterated an overweight rating for Microsoft, raising the price target to $530. Also, remember the Reddit user who expressed bullish sentiment, suggesting it could reach $600 per share. Brad Smith warned that Washington State's tech prosperity could falter, and Josh Wolf is concerned that the data center sector is showing signs of a bubble ready to pop. Now, let's move on to the chart data. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of volatility throughout 2024 and into 2025. We can see support around the 370 to 380 level from around March/April of 2025 and also around the 410 level at various times. However, the stock has recently rallied to the 490 to 500 level, testing prior resistance. The previous high of 499.30 could act as a new resistance point. Watch closely to see if it breaks $500. Now let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to get more near-term insight. The 1-hour chart shows more granular price action, which can be useful for short-term trading decisions. On the 1-hour, we see that from the 24th until today, it was hovering in the 490s. Today, there was a drop down to 493.03. Finally, if we narrow the view, the 15-minute chart reveals more about the recent activity from 26th through 27th that lead to the current state. We could use the 15-minute chart to find entry positions based on the day. To recap, important price levels to watch are the resistance around 500 and support near 410. A decisive break above 500 could signal further bullish momentum, while a drop below 410 might indicate a bearish trend. Given the current market conditions, a conservative approach would be to wait for confirmation of either a breakout or a breakdown before initiating any large positions. Keep an eye on news related to trade negotiations and data center investments, as these could significantly impact MSFT's price in the short term. Overall, MSFT's future trajectory depends on a complex interplay of economic factors and company-specific developments.